So I'm looking to do a Google Pixel Fold 10 Pro outer screen replacement. You can see it's cracked here. And this is that's a genuine Pixel Pro Fold screen. You can see this one comes with the adhesive already on the edges, so it's better to go with genuine because you get the adhesive with it. You can see it there. So you want to make sure that this is turned off. Pretty easy to do. Don't have to tell you how to do it. And then I'm going to put it on the heat here till it gets to about 85 degrees. Leave it for a minute or two extra. So if you look at the way that the phone is actually situated, I've got the camera up top here. The reason I got that up top is because you've got this flex over here. So I'm going to try and get in on this edge. And also, the cracks are actually along there. So it looks to me like there's no cracking this side. So I'm going to see if I can get some purchase on this edge here. A little bit close to the edge there. So let's just try and get this blade in there. Yeah, the screen's actually lifting. The screen's actually lifting on its own. And let's just get this blade in here. A little bit of alcohol. Yeah, the screen's coming up quite easily. So now I'm going to take plectrum. Keep this plectrum quite shallow. Because what you don't want is if there is stuff going on behind the screen, it's easy to damage the phone. That is not what we want. This bottom section here, I'm hoping to be able to get this up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this blade in the bottom. Just to, because this is all cracked, you want to try and get this up in one go. There we go. A little bit of alcohol in there. And work it back if you can. And there we go. It's going very well. Normally when you do videos, it doesn't. And just turn around the other side. Now bear in mind, you've got cameras and stuff up here, so be extra vigilant. Right, it's coming up. And this side here as well. Just get this blade in here. So this suction's actually come off now. Let's put a little bit of alcohol in there. There we go. Now let's turn it around so I can show you. Excuse me, I'm knocking everything over. So I just want to make sure. There we go, there's nothing that's going to get in the way of me opening this. Now, you're not going to get enough flex in here to open this out like that without taking the adhesive off the back here. So I'm going to get a plectrum in here and I'm going to run it down that edge to release that. Otherwise you're just going to snap that cable. And actually, to be fair, this screen probably still works. Side here as well. So what I would do is just put a little bit of alcohol down this edge, and you can pull it away slightly. See, it's coming away there. Of course, you can always put this blade in, give it a nice kind of clean edge to lift up. There you go. There you go. So now you can get in properly. So next thing to do is obviously to, it looks to me like you're going to need to disconnect this up here and clean up around the frame, right? Remember, the other screen's already got the adhesive on it, and basically seat it back down. So I hope this has been helpful, and you can see that, you know, you're quite safe around the edges here. There's nothing down there. I didn't impact anything down here. And that side as well is good. It's only the battery that side. So, yep, there wasn't a video on how to do the Google Pixel Pro 10 Fold outer screen. So this would probably be the first one.